Hi, this is Steve Biggs of Boatshed, Norfolk. On board the Quicksilver Flamingo 420. This is the inside as best we can see out. The key is not available at the moment. Helm seat is under a tonneau cover, as you can see. It's firmly attached and I can only get half of it open. Couple of rear lockers. Factory compartment. Mariner 9.94 stroke. Second locker with the fuel tank in. Removable side seat. All GLP deck. The whole boat's presented in original gel coat. Just needs a jet wash off. You can see inside the cuddy, all looks very clean and tidy. Cushions are there, infills are there. I just can't get into it at the moment. So, if you'd like further information on this little Quicksilver 420 from 2004, I believe, please contact me, Steve Biggs, at boatshednorfolk.com. Thanks for watching.